Yo, what's up? And many of you ask, where is Winnie? Why you only Damian making videos? And where is Winnie? Winnie have more fans than me. So you have more fans than me.
Hi everyone. Maybe because of the ladies.
Probably ladies. I know what you're thinking, guys. I know. So Sayang, introduce to the people where we are today.
All right, here we are in a Potato Head Beach Club.
Doesn't look like a beach club.
So this is basically the entrance. You know, it's like a bamboo thingy, and then surrounded is just like a waste center, and they introduce you about the waste management here in Bali. Wow.
Okay, cool. But I don't think so. Actually, I don't think so. People care about this one. I think they wanna see something different, you know.
Yeah. See.
But this is worth to mention, actually. And
yeah.
Actually, this is cool. This is how they are making the plastic. Hello, how you doing? Working hard, huh? Okay, let's go. They changing. This is beach club, but they are very.
They have a very unique concept, which is they have a eco waste management system like this. You know, they made it from the plastic bottle, plastic thingy that is coming from the ocean. Oh. Interesting.
That's actually interesting. That's why we're gonna show the beach club, because they're doing in the good case, right?
Yeah.
And it's also in Seminyak, so it's a very popular one. So this is outside the beach club. It's just the sunset time, so the sky color is like this one. We are going to the Potato Beach Club. They have also a hotel. I think the hotels are there, and they also have one of the nice fountain and the plants and everything. They also have a nice bar in Singapore side. The bar in Singapore is in Chinatown, just in case if you would like to go.
And your sandal is there.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm not using sandals anymore.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. There is few thousand sandals. Lady last time told me. And you go to the beach club facing like a little tunnel. Oh, pretty dark. The little tunnel. But you will see something cool now, and some people who are interested about the other stuff as well. Just be patient, guys.
All right, so we just arrived in a Potato Beach Club. I know it's very loud music around, and I will show you around how it is now. It seems like it's always packed of people. Let's go. Here we are in a Potato Head Beach Club, but unfortunately the sunset is already over. But this place is always full pack of people. You see on the left, on the right side, you see. It's just Friday night, and seems like this bar, you know, there is no empty seat, so I'll take you to stroll around, and that's the beautiful sunset over there. And yeah, this is the place. Beach Club. What do you expect? The loud music, you know, the DJ is playing, and wow. So this is it, how it is basically. And what I can say then, I think that this is the busiest beach club basically in Seminyak. Wow. Just little bit dark because the sunset is already over. And yeah, on the left, on the right side, only people and many people. Basically at this area is actually there is a minimum spend, and yeah, this table is, I think this bean bag is a minimum spend basically. So yeah, this is it. Actually, how is hustle and bustle beach club in Bali? So I think that the more night, the more people are coming here, and the busier the place, and yeah, the loud music. But this is what a beach club in Bali is famous for. People come to Bali, one of the main attraction is beach club, and they come to the beach club, they make a picture and they put on their social media. This is it. This is their life nowadays. What I can say then, it's really packed of people on the left, on the right side. Yeah. So basically, see, many people are busy with their phone, taking picture. put on their social media. Look at the sunset. They are with their friends, with their partners, enjoying the music, in the swimming pool, in the bar. So yeah, enjoying the beer, taking pictures. So this is it, how the beach club in Bali and what the Bali offers nowadays. Enjoying the time, loud music, even with the children. Wow. Taking your kids to the beach club. I don't know, probably this is the best idea or not. And now I'll take you to stroll around to the beach. Let's see how is the beach situation. Basically, that's the swimming pool. So there is also a restaurant on the top. And this is it. This is how is the Seminyak vibe, basically. And the time is already finished. I mean, the sunset time already finished, and yeah, people are still enjoying the time by the beach. Even the family are here. The world nowadays, you come to a place, making picture and put it on your social media. This is it. The beach club in Seminyak. I think this Potato Head is the most busiest beach club in Seminyak. You see people coming here, making a picture like this, like that, everywhere. Because the place is packed and only available seating is here. Honey, it's coffee time. Cheers.
So this is the entrance and exit at the same time with the colorful painters, and they also have a buggy when they can escort you to the back of the street. And this is the main street already here in Seminyak in Petit Tengat, basically. They have a lovely security, thank you, who gonna help you to get out. And this is a little bit of the street here. I wanted to show you a little bit, just except the beach club itself, what's going on in this part of Seminyak. However, it's not going that much like it used to be, at least. If you compare especially to Canggu, again, it's a little bit quiet, and you can just feel it. The alila is at the front of us. You have a few stalls. Some people just strolling around, but really, I mean, not that much is going on. At least not here. However, we are going to the area of Petit Tengat Beach. And where is the Motel Mexicola? Just behind this corner. Maybe somewhere here gonna be busier, but overall here it's really not that much is going on. But let's have a look, let's see, because already little bit traffic congestion here in the corner. If you're gonna go right, there will be the Petit Tengat Beach and the public parking, what you can just pay a little fee and leave your bike and car safely and peacefully. And this is already the action, which is the neon palms, the Vin Plus or something like that, Sea Circus and few other places. So the only action what should be somewhere in Seminyak in Petit Tengat should be here, but it is really like that. It's so-so, I'm gonna tell you. This is the Motel Mexicola, also not as that busy as it used to be. Maybe because they opened another one in Canggu, maybe that's why. And there is some Deep Prima hotel, some Tattoo studios and few shops. Little hotel here, and basically that's it. And then you can go directly to the Kayaya Street, which is Akaid Street, where also some things, and we will see you there next to the mall. All right, so this is the corner where is the Bossman and the new establishment, some sort of, no, just the grill, that's the simple name. Usually I film here in the morning, but to be honest, I'm telling you, honestly guys, after my personal experience of living in Bali for over 7 years, this is just simply quiet in Seminyak, and I know some of you may disagree with me, but I'm just telling you from my experience, and that's it. End of the topic. It's just very quiet. This is the mall here. We're not going to the mall. Just wanted to show you a little bit the road going to Kudeta club, also beach club. Although both of them, Potato Head and Kudeta, but especially Kudeta, they are the first beach clubs here in Bali. Kudeta is for sure the first one, at least. Not sure about the Potato Head. But overall, this Seminyak had their 5 minutes and golden times, but had it is not now. And subway is here, and the Indian tandoori, everything is just quiet. There are not even many cars driving around, to be honest. Somebody last time asked me about the Oberoi hotel, if it still exists here, because that was one of the first hotels in Seminyak. Yes, it still exists, still is here. Exactly here is the entrance, and next to it is Kudeta Beach Club. Also the entrance, I'm gonna tell you, okay, there are some people of course, but generally not much is going on. I don't want to sound negative, but just simply not much is going on. It's also very darkish here. Okay. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you today the little bit of the club and the situation outside of Seminyak. I got some requests to show me around the Oberoi, Kudeta and all of this stuff. I show you today. That's the neon palms, and the Mexicola is just behind on the right. Thanks so much. See you tomorrow on next video. See ya. Take care guys.